Hi everyone, welcome back to Manifest Mind USA. I'm Arvind. Today, we're diving into the powerful 369 manifestation method, inspired by the genius Nikola Tesla, a method that many believe can help you attract anything you want in life. Whether it's love, money, success, or better health, this simple but powerful technique can help you bring your dreams into reality. Why 3 to 6 9? Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." He believed these numbers had special energy connected to the universe, and when used correctly, they can unlock powerful results. How to use the 369 method? Step 1. Set a clear intention. Choose one goal you want to manifest. Be specific and focused. Example, I want to attract my soulmate. Now, write this same goal in 3 different ways. This gives your subconscious mind variety while staying focused. Here's an example. I am worthy of a deep and loving relationship. I am now attracting the love of my life. Love flows to me easily and effortlessly. Step 2. Repeat it throughout the day. Take your 3 affirmations and read them 6 times a day at specific hours. 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m. Optional, 3 a.m. for advanced practice. You can adjust the times to fit your schedule, but be consistent. Step 3. Do this for 9 days straight. Keep doing this routine for 9 days in a row, no skipping. This is where the magic happens. Why 9 days? The number 9 has been considered sacred in many spiritual traditions. It symbolizes completion and spiritual connection. Quick recap. 1 clear goal. Write it 3 different ways. Read it 6 times daily. Continue for 9 days. That's the 3 to 6 9 method. Bonus tips. Feel the emotion behind the words while reading them. Visualize your goal as already achieved. Stay positive and believe it's already on its way. So if you're ready to change your life, start using the 369 method today. You'll be surprised at how powerful it really is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful manifesting technique from Manifest Mind USA. Thank you for watching. Now go manifest your best life.